Welcome back to another simple CapCut video. In this video, we'll learn how to easily add auto captions to your videos using the CapCut application on your iOS or Android. Auto captions not only make your content more accessible to a broader audience, but they also improve SEO and viewer engagement. Adding them to your videos is a straightforward process. Let's open CapCut and start by importing the video where you want to add the auto captions. I have this tutorial video that I've already edited for the channel, and the final step in the production is to add captions. This is useful for viewers who may not be able to listen to the audio in certain situations but can read the captions instead. To add captions, first, select the caption tool located in the bottom bar of the screen. You'll see a window pop up with options for auto captions, including the ability to choose your caption language, source of caption, template, and so much more. You can try each of these options on your own. I'll choose English since my audio is in English. Then I chose a style for my caption to make it look more impressive. Now, tap the Generate button and wait a few seconds while CapCut generates the captions for your video. As you can see, it only took a few seconds for my video. And now we have captions. If the caption is still not good enough, you can customize these captions to suit your preferences, adjust the text size, add animations between sentences, and much more. And that's it. That's how you can generate auto captions for your videos using CapCut for PC. If this video helped you out and you were able to caption your videos with ease, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Only in the Pro